Welcome back to the channel. Dane Scott from Dane Scott's Truckers Lounge. So happy New Year. It's 2024. Isn't even but a few hours into it. And I figured, well, the right way to start off the year is to go find some trucks. So hey, stick around town. Painted sky in a sunset scene, through the window of a GMC. White lines and lighted signs got me hypnotized. There's nothing like the feel of the road and the smell of the diesel smoke. Another 10 or 20 miles, I'll be pulling in. This thing.
So let's get this show on the road, shall we?
13 years just laying it down, driving my GMC. Yeah, you know what I mean. So before we get rolling here and I show you what cool trucks I found today, first of all, Happy New Year to you. It's going to be a great year. Lots of trucks, lots of shows, so looking forward to it. So we're over the hump of New Year's and heading to spring now. I guess I'll clear up the first piece of business. Yes, it's true. Crackerjack is for sale. I know what you're thinking, and I've already heard from some of you guys, but I have to get Grasshopper, the 1966 K100 underway in restoration, and unless somebody wants to bankroll the restoration, I got to free up some funds. So it was between Blue Jay or Crackerjack, and the Blue Jay is just, that truck is, I saved that truck from sitting 17 years. I had to cut out all the brush and everything, and all we did was clean that truck up and prep it up a little bit and put injectors in it, and it's been running like a top. And I just can't part with that truck. That truck is just killer. It's got all the right proportions, and of course it's a sleeper in tandem. And that's kind of the ideal Crackerbox for me, is the sleeper, because that's what I remember as a kid, is the way the non-toolbox versions came in at the back at that 45-degree angle. And I always love a tandem truck anyway, so I'll end up with another Crackerbox, but it'll be a sleeper tandem. So for the meantime, Crackerjack is for sale, and when that happens, I'll be able to bring the KW in. I'll free up some room, and we can get started on the restoration there, starting with that bad hinge. That's the first thing we got to address before we even move forward on it. So there's the first order of business. So the second order of business will be, we are now headed towards spring, as I said. And do you know what happens after spring? June 1st, GMC Jamere, baby. Second annual. And you guys made the first one such a success. I am looking forward to this year. So I'm going to be pushing and advertising for that and looking for sponsorships again this year. So if you're interested in being involved, you want to set up a booth, or sell some parts, and definitely show your trucks. All trucks, 87 and older, are welcome. It's just a GMC standout, and the Boy Scouts helped park all the trucks last year, and I will ask them to do it again this year. And they got to pick out their favorite GMC last year, and Truck World gave us a very nice gift basket, whatever you want to say, full of goodies for their favorite GMC. But all makes are welcome. It's a killer vintage old school truck show. So make sure you make your plans, and I'll be filling you in more about accommodations that are very nearby. You've got Truck World, you got Love's right there at the interchange. We got a camping place, Evergreen Lake Park Campground, and the Days Inn Motel, and all of them are given incentives to be here for the show. So with that being said, let's go find some GMCs. Looky there. Two extremely cool old school GMs straight trucks. This is awesome. Class of 63. GMC, baby. That's awesome. Yes, sir. That's almost as old as the Crackerbox. Nice little box on it too. Look at that, round front. That is cool. Yeah. That thing's in beautiful shape. Yeah, somebody's put some love into this truck. Yeah, what do we got here? Two sticks. I don't know if one's for the PTO or not, but not sure. Geez, the key's even in it. Very cool. I think we need to get these guys to bring these trucks to the GMC Jamboree this year. Ah, let's go over here. These guys make screens for, I think, for topsoil or rocks or something. Wow. Look at this bad boy. Same handle that came on my Crackerbox. Yeah, both of them have the same offset rear end. This is heavy duty. Ooh, there's the mirrors. So this episode is brought to you by Parker's Garage, celebrating their 60th year anniversary from 1963 to 2023, specializing in engine repair, industrial, coach, truck, and marine. Parker's Garage, Norwood, North Carolina. Dane Scott's Truckers Lounge says, congratulations. Okay guys, before I let you go, this week's Scriber ride is another old school straight truck. This is a Dodge, and this one belongs to Ruben Shumway. And Ruben says that these are pictures of me and my dad's 52 B-Series job-rated project truck. He says they plan on putting a 12-valve Cummins and a 10-speed Eaton Fuller in it, and we want to take it and we want to make it look like a mini semi. So we'll probably put some fenders on the rear, some stacks, and a fifth wheel. Very cool truck, Ruben. Okay, I'm gonna let you go, and remember, keep the hammer down, safe and sound.